Combined operations on sets. Let's look at a sample exam question. The table shows the favorite types of gifts of 8 students. Given sets N, D, and H represent students who like necessities, decorations, and handcrafts respectively. List all the elements of set D for sub-question 1, and the union of N intersect D and the complement of H for sub-question 2. This is a 4-mark question. Sub-question 1 is straightforward. Students who like decorations are Enna, Gavin, Ivy, Jamie, and Khalid. List all the names inside curly brackets. 1 mark is easily obtained. Now, for sub-question 2, intersection is involved, union is involved, we have brackets, we also have the symbol that shows the complement. Let's solve the brackets first. The intersection of sets N and D are the students who like necessities and decorations as gifts. That are Gavin and Khalid. The complement of H are the students who do not like handcrafts as gifts. That are Gavin and Ivy. Then, determine the union of these two. The elements are Gavin, Ivy, and Khalid. By listing only Gavin and Khalid, you get 2 marks. Listing all 3 students including Ivy will give you 1 more mark. You can also draw a Venn diagram to show sets N, D, and H. Fill all the names in. Identify the intersection of sets N and D. Then the union with the complement of set H. Just don't forget to list the elements down using set notation.